Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It has been storming here in West Tennessee and all of my landscape timbers have been flying all over the place. I am so sick of having to pick up all of those all of the time, so what we're going to be doing today is anchoring them down with rebar. I did get a couple suggestions from you guys to do this and I'm taking it. I have help with me today. He brought a bunch of 10-foot rebars. We're going to be cutting those into 1 foot and we're going to be going to the back of my property and rebarring all of those down. There's about 60 landscape timbers that we have to secure down. So this is going to be a project. I'm so excited because I don't want to move these anymore. The last storm was a couple days ago and I have not had a chance to pick up the landscape timbers yet and put them back. So we're going to be doing that now as well as cutting them. So let's go. All right, we are going to be using my golf cart for this project because I do need to move most of those landscape timbers back. Put them all back where they are before we start securing them down. So, golf cart time. All right, so right now, all we're going to be doing is marking 1 foot measurements, and that's where he's going to be cutting the rebar. Cutting those rebar pieces, I'm gonna go and put all of the landscape timbers back from when the storm hit. I just didn't have time to do it. I'm gonna do that so that we are prepared by the time he gets done cutting those pieces of rebar. So I'm gonna show you guys the mess right now. Now this is the mess that was the other day. You guys saw the pictures in the beginning, but a lot of these just are so light that they fly all the way over to the corner, kind of messes everything up, and I'm just tired of moving them. Like this section right here, it's just insane. So I'm gonna take my golf cart, load those up, and put the garden back together. go try one of the rebars in the landscape timbers to see if it works, and then we'll be coming back for more. All right, we're testing this one out right now. We are pre-drilling the holes, and then we're going to be putting these 1-foot rebars into the ground flush with the landscape timber. And they do work. Awesome. Okay, so we got all of the landscape timbers secured. Hopefully the storms aren't going to put them all in that corner over there. I am so tired of moving all of those. Yay, we got it done. Now, as far as the landscape timbers in the front wildflower gardens, I'm not going to be doing those because I have never had to move any of those landscape timbers. None of them from the storms have gone in any other yard. They don't go by the creek. They've all stayed in place. So I'm just going to leave those. Super glad that we got that done. Now when there are storms, I don't have to go out there and move the landscape timbers because they all fly into the bushes in the creek. They got heavy after a while, and that's why I needed help putting them down in the first place. There was like 150 of them, but in that back section is where the storms happen so much that so many of them blow. So I've got to bring my golf cart down there, move every single one of them, but not anymore. I hope you guys are enjoying my journey. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I am so sorry. Don't put that. I'm gonna be having, don't put that. I'm gonna have some help. I'm gonna be taking some, don't put that. Super glad I got that done. Don't put that. Really, hopefully a lot of the storms that come through, hopefully none of these, don't put any of this.